Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. In honor of Oktoberfest, I wanted to make my own spin on the Radler, a German highball that combines beer with citrus or citrus soda, with Stiegl's Grapefruit Radler being one of the more popular examples. For ingredients, you'll need a German-style beer. I've chosen a Kolsch lager, but a Weiss beer or even a Pilsner will work just fine. Fresh grapefruit juice is an absolute must and is the strength of this drink. And optionally grapefruit liqueur to keep the ABV up and layer more grapefruit flavor. Once ready, gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, highball or footed Pilsner glass, and your favorite German-style beer. Open it up. Once opened, fill your glass about halfway with beer. Then get your go-to jigger and measure and add a half ounce of grapefruit liqueur. Half ounce of grapefruit juice. Feel free to increase to 3/4 of an ounce if you forgo the liqueur. Top with more beer. Typically I'd tilt it on the side, but I wanted to agitate the beer to help it mix better. Once settled, fill it to the brim. And while it settles a bit, let's get a couple family photos of the beer and grapefruit juice. Grapefruit juice always looks like it'd be sweeter than it is. Once finished, let's give it a taste. The drink starts bright with hoppy notes, smoothed out by the sweetness of the grapefruit liqueur, elevated by the bright citrus of the fresh grapefruit juice. It's refreshing and sweet, and I think you'll like it. If you want it sharper, feel free to skip the liqueur. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite Radler or grapefruit cocktail? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.